Good morning everyone. Myself Sudke SS, working as Assistant Professor at Electrical Department of SND COE and Research Center, Evla. Now today we will discuss the subject Advanced Microcontroller and Embedded System, in which we discuss the Unit 4 topic Interrupt Structure and its Programming. In this unit, we discuss the topic of PIC ADC, that is interfacing of PIC microcontroller with the analog to digital converter. First of all, first point is we will discuss is PIC ADC, that is interfacing of PIC microcontroller with the analog to digital conversion or converter, in which PIC ADC analog to digital conversion. The PIC ADC analog to digital conversion is the microcontroller using PIC ADC analog to digital converter. An ADC is one of the most useful features of a microcontroller, and it reads values from sensors that gives voltages that correspond to the parameter they are sensing, like temperature, etc. Then next one is PIC microcontroller ADC module, programming in MPLAB XC8. For example, the PIC microcontroller has a 10-bit ADC. It means the digital value can go up to 0 to 1023. Then resolution defines minimum required voltage that will increment digital value from 0 to 1 and so on. Then we can use this formula to define this number, that is resolution is equal to V reference plus minus V reference minus divided by 2n minus 1. Then the estimated reading time for this interfacing of PIC microcontroller to the ADC is 8 minutes. Then PIC microcontroller interfacing with the analog to digital converter used in C programming. The PIC 16F690 microcontroller is one of the microchip mid-range 8-bit microcontroller that has a built-in 10-bit resolution of analog to digital converter ADC peripheral. The ADC is one of the important features that enable us to digitize our analog world. Usually, we use the electronic sensor to convert the analog value to the voltage level value. Some of the basic sensors such as LDR, light dependent resistor, is used for measuring the light intensity, or NTC, that is negative temperature coefficient, is special resistor for measuring the temperature. Now today many manufacturers produce sophisticated sensors for specific tasks such as Sharp GP2D120X in use for distance measurement. Then National Semiconductor LM35 for precision centigrade temperature sensor, HS12 humidity sensor from GE, TGS 2442 carbon monoxide gas sensor from Figaro, and many more. On this tutorial, we will learn how to program the microchip PIC microcontroller for reading the analog signal using HIT ECT PIC-C Lite C compiler. We will use the PIC JAS 16F690 learning board, PIC JAS 16F690 schema from Micro as our learning platform, and let's start the fun by pasting this following code to your microchip MPLAB ID. Thank you.